If you are a personal trainer or a tradesman and you want to grow, you'll have to look into marketing. In this video, I will show you why that's important and exactly how to see great results with your advertisements. If you are a personal trainer or a tradesman, chances are that currently you're running word of mouth, and there's going to be a segment of you who are happy where they are. You've got enough clients coming in, you don't really want to grow a team. If that's you, great, but I won't be able to help you because this channel is about how to grow as a business owner. So the people I'm looking to help are eventually also the people that want to grow. So there's also going to be a lot of you who are also getting some word of mouth, but you're kind of looking for that next level. And that's where marketing comes in. If you want a really successful business, if you want a team, if you want multiple locations, that's where marketing really comes in, because word of mouth is always going to be like the best source of clients. Like these are going to be the best clients. But word of mouth alone is not going to help you grow that much. That's why you need marketing. That's why you need to do something in specific to get more clients so that you can grow more efficiently in your business. If you only rely on word of mouth, you're probably never going to evolve past a sole proprietor or a sole trader. So if you want to be, if you're serious in entrepreneurship, you have to think about marketing. There's no way around it. Then there's also going to be a segment of you who are just kind of struggling in general, and those people I can also help, but you need to bear in mind that I can't fix, if you don't have any skills yet at all, marketing won't be able to fix that. I will be able to coach you. I will be able to help your sales process. I will be able to help with specific things in your business. But if you don't have any clue yourself on how these things work at all, then don't look at marketing to fix all your business problems, because it's not going to do that. And even though I can coach you on some of those things as well, it's not going to be efficient if currently you don't know anything about it at all, and you're just trying to start up a business. I'm probably not going to be able to help you. But if you are a few clients in already and you have some idea of how business is going and it seems to be working a little bit for you, then I can help you make it work a lot better. And that is why I'm here for. So if you want to grow, if you are serious about business, and especially if you want to grow past a sole trader, you're going to have to look into marketing. So with that said, you still have a lot of options. The option I'm going to be focusing on with you is paid advertisement. We've got paid ads. We've got handing out flyers to people in local cities. You can hang out posters in cities. You can do SEO. You can do programmatic advertising. You can do CRO, conversion rate optimization. You can do landing pages. You can do TikTok ads, Snapchat chats, Pinterest ads, Google ads, Facebook ads, Twitter ads, all kinds of like advertisements you can do. Now, I will say the most efficient and popular way of advertising in modern times are going to be Facebook and Google, especially if you're a personal trainer or a tradesman. Those are going to be the most efficient options you have. Now, next to that, there's also some platforms, especially if you're a tradesman. In the USA, you have Better Business Bureau. In the UK, you have Checkatrade. In Belgium, you have Bobex and several other platforms. But with these type of platforms, usually they can work great at a lower level. But at some point, you're going to want to evolve past that, because it's a rather cheap option. The leads you get from there, they usually hand them out to several other tradesmen. So you're going to have more competition. It's also going to be more difficult to get higher quality projects. So those platforms, they can be good if you're looking to save costs and if you're kind of starting out. But if you're looking to grow, I would really look into starting your own advertisements and your own marketing. So you have really Facebook ads and Google ads. Now, Facebook ads are going to be great if you're a personal trainer. If you're a tradesman, you can look into both Facebook ads and Google ads, depending on your service. If you're a plumber, it's going to be mostly Google ads. For most other renovation type of services, it's going to be both. I'm going to be teaching you mostly about Facebook ads because that's what I know the best. So if you want to learn how to run great advertisements, either Facebook or Google, the first thing that you'll need to know is that you'll need an ad budget. So this is the money you pay to Facebook, to Google, in order to reach more people. So if you want to send your advertisement out to more people, you have to pay these platforms more. That's the way it works. Now in Google, it's a little bit different because you're paying per click, but essentially, if you want to reach more people, you still need to pay more. That's the way these platforms work. Now, what's actually going to determine the quality of your marketing campaign and the results you see from it, that's going to be determined by the quality of your advertisement. That's why marketing agencies are a thing, because if they're good, they can also make great advertisements, which will help you to see more returns from the campaign. Now, how do you essentially make a great advertisement? Well, there are two things you can use. You can use static images and you can use video advertisements. Now, marketers love to argue about what works better, but essentially both of those work great. Now, if you know how to make great video advertisements, usually they work a bit better, but there's also more production involved there and sometimes more costs involved in making these advertisements. So that's also a factor you need to consider. For static advertisements, basically they are just still images. Before and afters can work great, especially if you're a tradesman. So show pictures before you've completed the work. The floor is broken, maybe it's even dirty, it doesn't look good, and then show a picture of after you've done the work on the same image. And make sure the after looks really great. Make sure the work you do looks really great. And also make sure you've cleaned everything up so you make the best impression possible. Now, you never want to cheat with these advertisements. That's never a good strategy. But you do want to portray yourself in the best possible light. So there's the business side of things where you have to deliver the best results possible. And then there's the advertisement side of things where you have to convince the best possible. So that's a little bit different, but they're both important. If you're a personal trainer, you can't use before and afters because Facebook banned that. Some people took advantage of that in the past. Images that work well for personal trainers are clients working out, a picture of yourself, flexing or in your gym. Make sure that you're coming across as an expert. Pictures of foods work great. But essentially, it's good to test a lot of things because the more you test, the more results you get. And it's always important to consider the psychology of your clients. So you always need to understand exactly what they're struggling with, how they're feeling, and how your product helps them. And then you have to explain that to them in this image or in this video. If you're a tradesman, psychology is also going to be important, but of course it's a little bit less personal. But still, in that case, it might be like, hey, the floor is kind of like dirty, some pieces are broken, it's not looking great anymore. So then you play on those frustrations. And you show them that you can deliver great quality work. Now, if you want to make video advertisements, you will need a hook, a body, a call to action. The hook will be something that grabs attention. The body will be you explaining how your service works and which benefits you can give them. The call to action will be you saying like, hey, if you want to get these results, then just click the link below. So you give them direction on some steps they need to take. Psychology is going to be really, really important for videos. Something that works well for tradesmen is you standing in front of a work you completed, so you have proof in the background. and you basically kind of humble brag about the work you did. You explain like, hey, my name is John. I'm here with the work I just completed for clients. I made this floor. I made sure the quality was really good. Look at these styles we did here. We use these kind of materials. Maybe you could even talk with the clients. The client says like they're really happy about the work you did. Those type of advertisements can work really, really well, especially if everything is genuine. So I've seen this work really great for tradesmen. If you're a personal trainer, it's going to be more personal. So then you need to speak more to their problems. You need to show how you can do that. So just to give you an example, you could talk to them, people who are, hey, do you feel frustrated because of all those fad diets out there? Well, we have a solution for you. In our personal training, we teach you how to do things in a healthy way. Plus, we support you on the actual training so that not only you get results, but you see the results are lasting. Now, if you're interested in this program, just sign up and click the link below, and we'll give you a free consultation call. For example, that's like a basic example, but this could be a video that could work well for you as well. So those are just to give you some ideas. So to summarize, if you're a personal trainer or a tradesman and you want to grow, you'll have to look into marketing. If you're a personal trainer, you can look into Facebook ads. If you're a tradesman, you can look into Facebook ads, or you can look into Google ads. If you want to make great advertisements, you have to test a lot of things. You'll have to pay attention to the psychology of your customer, their pain points. You'll have to make sure you deliver a compelling message from them, even if you're just using a plain picture. And you'll have to make sure that the quality of everything is good and that you're portraying yourself as an expert. That's going to help you get good results from the advertisements.